Hello everyone! Good morning! So guys, ito nga pala yung ating cake order for today. Tsaka yung order na ito guys ay order lamang po ni ma'am kahapon. Yes po, rush order po yung ating cake for today. At tsaka yung cake na ito guys ay may kasama pong 1 dozen cupcakes. At yung size naman ng ating cake ay 6x5. At tsaka yung flavor naman ay yung ating butter cake. At tsaka ito po yung kanyang pinapagayahan guys. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Nagaya ba natin yung pinagayahan ni ma'am? At saka nag-add nga rin para ako dito ng edible flowers dyan sa katabi ng my happy birthday, no? So, ito na po yung ating cake for today. Happy 7th birthday po langga. Thank you so much ulit po ma'am sa pag-order. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanonood guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-follow, don't forget to follow. And don't forget to like and subscribe na din. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye for now!